Yeah. Hi, Rutuja. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. How are you?
I'm good too. Thank you. So, can you tell me something about inheritance?
Yeah, inheritance member from one class to another class is known as inheritance. Inheritance is always happening from superclass to subclass. So, in inheritance is basically we get means if we extend superclass to subclass, then we get the properties from the superclass to subclass. So,
Mhm,
this is known as inheritance. There are five types of inheritance. Single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, uh, multiple inheritance, and hybrid inheritance. Yeah.
mhm. Great, great. Okay. So, what is the difference between interface and abstract class?
If we declared abstract class, then it contains abstract and non-abstract method.
Mhm,
And if we declared abstract method that ends with the semicolon, and we need to that implement in the next concrete class. We need to declare that method.
mhm,
And abstract class, we cannot create the instance of that class. And if we create the abstract method, so this is that is incomplete method. So we cannot create the instance of that abstract class.
mhm,
And inheritance is 100% abstract. It contains variables and method. So variable are final and static, and method are public and abstract. So in inheritance, it contains only abstract method. We cannot create non-abstract method, and we cannot create the instance of the interface also because interface is 100% abstract. And interface, if we want to extend, so one interface we can extend any number of interface,
mhm,
but abstract class we can extend only a single class. And inheritance also uh, in inheritance we can extend a class and any number of interfaces at a time.
mhm.
Yeah, that's the difference.
Okay, okay. Can you write a Java program to print all the permutations of a string? Any string you can take. You can take a string of ABC as well.
Okay, and permutations.
Yeah, permutations means let's say you have ABC as the string. So one of the permutation would be CAB, PCA, then AB, PC, like that. Right.
Okay, I will try.
Yeah, you can give it a try.
Uh,
I'm giving you screen sharing, right? So you can click on share screen button.
yes, yes. My screen is visible.
Yes, it's simple. You can open Notepad++, ID, anything is fine.
Yeah.
Hmm.
I have already created one class.
Okay, no problem. Yeah.
Permutation and combination.
Yeah,
Uh,
all the permutations. For example, ABC is one of your string, right? So if you pass that, so all the permutations would be ACB, BAC, BCA, CBA, CAB, those kind of permutations. Like from the string itself, which are the other substrings that you can create? Other permutations, like if you arrange the letters in some different way. Yeah.
We need to sort or hello.
Hello.
Yeah, I'm not able to.
No worries, no
I'm not
worries.
clear. Yeah,
Yeah. Let me share the screen.
yeah.
Now, see, this is actually not a straightforward definitely not a straightforward problem. So what we would be doing is we would be using the backtracking algorithm here. Okay, so we
Okay.
will be fixing a character in the first position. So let's say if you have ABC as the string, okay, then we will be having ABC first, then BAC, CBA. These are the strings that are generated by the permutations of this string itself. Okay, so first we will
Yes.
fix A. Through A you
Mm.
can get ABC, you can get ACB as well. Then
Mm.
through B you can get BAC, BCA. Through C you
BC,
can get CBA, CAB,
CBA,
like that,
CAB.
right? So then we'll fix the second character, and like this we will continue. So what we would do is, this is our string. We'll take the
Mm.
length of that string. I'll show
Mm.
you the algorithm first, and then we'll print all the permutations of this string. Okay,
Okay.
and then we'll end it. Then similarly, we'll start with end -1, right? And then we'll swap the string. So every time we are swapping, right, these swapping will continue till we have the end. So
All the perm.
yeah, let me show you one more thing. Yeah, now is this visible?
Yes.
Right. So what is happening here is you have this ABC. So first you get this combination, right? And
Okay.
then you keep B here, AC there, right? Then you
Mm.
keep C here. So one by one, all the character we are taking.
Right, right.
Hmm, Clear? Great. Fine. What do you mean by functional interface?
Functional interface.
Functional
Uh,
interface. Are you aware about functional interface?
no.
So you are aware
No.
about interface, right? But what about functional
Yes.
interface?
Functioning of the interface means is a relationship.
No, no, not in that sense. There is an interface which is called as functional interface itself.
No, no, I don't.
Okay, okay. So see, when you say about functional interface, right? So it's an interface that contains exactly one of the abstract method, right?
Yeah.
It can have multiple default or static
Multiple.
methods, but only one abstract method,
One step.
right? So if you are
Yeah.
aware about lambda expressions, so you can use it for implementing lambda expressions and method references. This is how you'll write the annotation at the rate functional
Okay.
interface. Okay, it is optional, but it is recommended to enforce the constraint of one abstract method
That
only.
way. Okay, I'm not aware of this. I
No
need.
problem. Yeah,
Yeah.
lambda expressions functional interface, you need to uh, revisit once. Okay, what is polymorphism?
Polymorphism uh, means poly means many forms.
Hmm,
So, if the object is behaving different at different stage in the entire development cycle is known as polymorphism. There are two types of polymorphism: compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism.
hmm,
Compile time polymorphism is an example of method overloading, and runtime polymorphism is an example of method overriding.
Perfect, perfect. Okay. Uh, what do you mean by an array? Yeah.
So
What do you mean by an array?
array means we can store the values,
Hmm.
many values in that array. So
Okay,
in that case, we use array. Yeah.
right. Can you write one simple program showing a use of array, and if you can print those elements?
Okay.
Yeah. Can you click on share screen button once?
Yeah. Directly I need to give array dot length, or this one is correct.
Yeah, you can print it.
Array,
See what is the
array
output you're
dot.
getting.
It is showing 6
Right. So
length.
this is what you are printing, the length of an array,
The length of the array.
right?
Yes.
Now let's say if you want to print the elements, then what you can do is you can do system.out.println that array of I you can take. ARRY you have taken of I in the square bracket. You can keep I. Yeah, square bracket. I within that square bracket. Yeah. Now run it. So that was showing you the length of the array, right? It will show you the
Okay.
elements of the array
All
as
the
well.
element. Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
correct. Great. Okay. What do you mean by constructor in Java?
Constructor is a block.
Mm-hmm.
We inside the class we can create. While creating the constructor name should be same as class name.
Mm-hmm.
And constructor must not have a return type or return statement. To create an instance in a Java program, we can create the constructor.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, and if we are not creating the constructor, at the time of compilation, Java automatically creates the constructor.
Okay, great. Okay. So can you tell me what would be the return type for a constructor?
Constructor is not having the return type or return statement.
Correct. Which are the types of constructor that you are aware about?
I think default constructor and
Mhm.
parameterized
Parameterized
constructor.
constructor.
Yes, yes.
Great. Okay. Okay. What is super keyword?
Super keyword is used for to um, just
You can take your time to think. No worries.
super is used for the getting the super class constructor.
Mhm.
Uh, yes, super class. It is
Okay.
between the two class. Yes,
Okay. So let's say
super
if I
is.
want to get the value of one of the variable in my parent class, is that possible via super keyword?
Yes, parent
Yes.
class.
Okay. Fine. Okay. What do you know about data types?
There are 8 types of data type.
Mm-hmm.
Byte short, int long, char boolean, uh, float double.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
There are
So what is the difference between int and double?
int means int. I think it is of 8 byte,
Mm-hmm.
and we declare means integer like 1, 2, 3. On double we write in the form of dot means point.
Yes,
36 point
decimals.
something. Yes,
Correct,
decimals.
correct.
Yes.
Is string a primitive or a non-primitive data type?
Mm, I think primitive, not sure.
Mm-hmm. Okay. What about double? Double is a primitive or a non-primitive data type?
No.
Mm-hmm. See, what primitive types will always start with a lowercase, right? So when you say string, that is a non-primitive type. Okay. So string is a
Non.
not a primitive data type, right? It's a derived data type, you can say. Okay.
Okay.
Derived data types are also known as reference data types because they refer to an object,
Hmm.
right? So that's how it will be happening. Okay, Rutuja, I'm done with the interview. Do you have any questions for me?
No, no.
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you.